Number 1. 1970 Seater Ford F-150 4x4, $1,234, Cottonwood, California. This 1977 Ford F-150 4x4 is a rugged classic with a rebuilt 460 engine completed only 35,000 miles ago. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a granny gear and upgraded 3.5D differential gears, it has been well maintained with many parts replaced. The interior is in nice condition and it comes with a clean title, a very solid candidate for an affordable off-road classic. Number 2. 1973 Chevrolet C20 pickup, $3,500, Coos Bay, Oregon. An all-original 1973 Chevrolet C20 with a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. With 26,214 miles showing, rolled over, it still runs strong. The gray paint is original, and the interior remains in good shape. Tires are needed, but this truck is road-ready with registration valid through March 2027. A fine daily driver or an excellent platform for a full restoration. Number 3. 1968 Ford F-100, $4,000, Tracy, California. This 1968 Ford F-100 is a project-ready classic featuring an 8-foot bed, 360 V8 engine, and automatic transmission. It runs, drives, and stops, though it shows surface rust and some light front-end damage. The body is solid overall, making it a good base for restoration. With a clean title, it is a straightforward entry into vintage Ford ownership. Number 4. 1983 Ford F-350, $3,500, Casper, Wyoming. A dependable workhorse, this 1983 Ford F-350 comes with a flatbed straight-six engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Recently fitted with 6 new tires, it is in good condition overall. Built to handle heavy-duty work, this truck remains an honest and functional piece of Ford's tough lineup. Number 5. 1985 GMC 6.5 Turbo Diesel Service Truck, $4,000, Nipomo, California. This 1985 GMC service body truck is powered by a Goodwrench factory crate 6.5 turbo diesel, delivering dependable performance. Despite a rough cab and a broken odometer showing 456,000 miles, it runs with good compression and no oil burning. The heavy-duty service bed includes E-Tracks and a 1,000-pound tommygate lift, making it a practical work vehicle with vintage appeal. Number 6. 1989 GMC 3500, $3,000, Bend, Oregon. Equipped with a powerful 454 V8 with throttle body injection, this 1989 GMC 3500 4x4 is ready for heavy-duty use. It runs strong, though the idle is slightly high. Recent replacements include radiator, water pump, alternator, and headers. While cosmetically rough, the truck is mechanically capable and includes a clean title. Number 7. 1974 GMC 4x4 truck, $4,200, Colorado Springs, Colorado. A strong 1974 GMC 1500 Jimmy, this truck features a 350 V8 paired with a heavy-duty 4-speed manual transmission. It has rebuilt front Dana 44 components, newer battery, starter, and alternator. The truck comes with 2 sets of tires and rims, plus a chrome brush guard. Some typical square body rust is present, but overall this is a robust and desirable 4x4. Number 8. 1988 Toyota Pickup 22R, $20,800, Shafter, California. A rare one-owner example, this 1988 Toyota pickup comes with the legendary 22R 4-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. At 210,000 miles, it remains reliable with numerous recent replacements, including timing set, distributor, fuel pump, and fan clutch. The straight body shows no rust or dents, though the paint is weathered. An honest, bone-stock Japanese workhorse with a clean title. Number 9. 1973 Ford F-250 Camper Special, $40,100, 9 Mile Falls, Washington. This 1973 Ford F-250 Camper Special has just 96,000 original miles and retains its 360 V8, now upgraded with a new carburetor, starter, and electronic ignition. The truck runs smoothly with an automatic transmission, power brakes, and power steering. Its original green paint shines well, with minimal surface rust and a spotless underside. A clean, rust-free, and well-preserved survivor. Number 10. 1983 Dodge Ram D15 800 MURDOCK, Minnesota. An affordable entry into classic trucks, this 1983 Dodge Ram D15 features the reliable slant-six engine paired with an automatic transmission. Though the odometer is broken at 97,337 miles, it runs and drives. It has a new battery but needs carburetor adjustment, and the windshield is cracked. A fair condition truck with potential at a bargain price. Number 11. 1950 International Harvester Flatbed, $4,900, Ritzville, Washington. A rare 1950 International Harvester 4FB flatbed with excellent patina and originality. Powered by a straight 6 with a 4-speed overdrive manual, it runs strong even in cold weather. Features include a hydraulic dump bed, needs repair, stake sides, and solid tires. With its clean title, this is a well-preserved working truck that doubles as a parade or restoration candidate. Number 12. 1954 International R150, $7,000, Manchester, Washington. This 1954 International R150 is a farm truck with a 14-foot flatbed, showing 61,000 miles, broken odometer. It starts easily and runs well, retaining a clean and straightforward design. With current registration and a clean title, it offers both utility and collectability. A practical vintage truck that blends functionality with classic charm. Number 13. 1951 Studebaker 1-ton truck, $7,700, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. A rare find, this 1951 Studebaker 1-ton truck was restored in the 1990s and remains in excellent condition. Retaining its original engine and mechanicals, it runs well and has been used mainly in parades. It could benefit from cosmetic updates such as fresh paint and rubber mats, but overall it is a solid classic with a bonded title. Number 14. 1953 Dodge B-Series 1-ton truck, $6,000, Nogales, Arizona. This 1953 Dodge B-Series 1-ton flatbed project is about 75% complete. It features a Ford 302 V8 engine mated to an AOD automatic transmission, with power booster brakes already installed. The engine runs but needs wiring installation, with a new harness included. Most of the hard work is done, leaving a clean Arizona-titled project for the next enthusiast to finish.